Hello, I'm Coach Derek Drummond with the Better Life site because I want all of you to have your better life. To join me in my Mocha Secret Big Boy Factory. This is where I prepare for a couple of weeks worth of Mocha Secret Big Boys. And it's a easy process. I just bag them up so all of the dry powders are ready to go. Then all I have to do is add my ice, my coffee, vanilla, and blend it up, and I'm good to go. Oh, and okra. So let's get started. So welcome. I've got all of my ingredients here. I've got my collagen and the protein powder. I have this cocoa from Costco. This is my super sweet blend in my fancy container. I have the funnel. Yes, that is a piece of paper. It is rolled with a piece of tape, and it's fantastic. I have my container here, my measuring stuff, this one's Himalaya sea salt, and my lecithin, and my instructions. I like to print these off. If you see, I got a bunch of them. This is, I just go to the website, look up a recipe, print it off, and then sometimes, when it's important to me, I edge tag it with one of these things that says Mocha Secret. So, I have my favorite new mug. It's morning, so I'm having coffee today, and this is what the product looks like when we're done. Oh, one more thing, this was a game changer for me. I found these on Amazon. They're a little, it's a bag of bags. These are 3" by 4" 2 mil thick, and this comes in quantity of 100. So all this takes is I just have my spoons ready in the right amount, and I just go through the process of adding my super sweet, protein, collagen, that's a little less, let's get it there, collagen, and coca. This is a handy one because it comes in the larger 2 tablespoon size. Lecithin, three pinches of salt, put the funnel in the bag. Zip it up, and this one's good to go. So I do this till I have a couple weeks worth, because it takes probably a minute to put one of these together. And so, you know, it's just I'm killing off 15 minutes or so. I'll put everything away, and then when I want a Mocha Secret Big Boy, boom, I am ready. That's how I like to prepare for it. So it works out very well for me, so it's convenient for me later in the day when I want to just grab one. Anytime I want one, I try to do that so that I don't have to dig out all the ingredients each time. I don't mind doing the ingredient thing. I like that interaction with the food. It's kind of like cooking, except for I'm not cooking anything. But it is a nice interaction to like go through and prepare. And then I know in the back of my mind, I am ready to rock this. So, you're on your journey, I'm on mine. And by the way, don't make that awkward comparison to compare yourself at your beginning of your journey to someone else in their middle. All right, this is Coach Derek with the Better Life site, because I want all of you to have your better life. God bless you.